Hey there, I'm Charlie John Lucca, and we are replacing the SSD out of my laptop because I ran out of space, and I can't do anything else right now. So, let's get to it. First step is actually taking the SSD that's already in there out. I don't know how I'm gonna prop this thing up. Like this is there. And yay, face reveal. And yay, a face reveal. I mean, you know what I look like. Hi. I also wear this hat as a Ushanka. Yeah, anyway. This is the SSD we're working with. It's a Samsung 990 Pro, a PCIe port 4 NVMe M.2 SSD, which I think is right for this computer. Wait, so, further ado, no, I cannot. I'm gonna ruin the box. One moment. A whole moment has passed. I've grabbed the knife, which I probably should have gotten in the first place. Open this thing. Screw the box a little bit. No, it's fine. No. Ripped it up a little bit. That's where I am using the knife. Yep, enough of that. Later. How to get this open? Question is, they packaged it weirdly. I don't know how to show this on camera, but point is, I can't really figure out a way to open it. Maybe if I just... Oh, it flaps. Oh, I see. Oh, no, I just do this. Okay, so I didn't get them both sides. And we have the SSD. It's this thing. Well, time to open up the computer. I'm going to shut it off first. And also install Windows onto it. With this. Not exactly sure I'm going to do that, but I'll figure it out. Good night, sweetheart. And let's get you open. Alright, so here's time for my cobalt screwdriver. Yeah. Just got back from Best Buy, so that's why I look like I'm ready to go outside. It's very cold outside, you know. It's November 1st right now. So Halloween just passed, meaning I got a bunch of candy. I like candy. Did not see my teeth there. Oh well. I'm leaving that in, just because it's funny. And here's where the boring part comes in. And I've got these out of the way. And I've gotten these out of the way. So I'm gonna take the old SSD out and just pray that I got the right one. It's 1 terabyte. So, in theory, this should be fine. And should not lose the screw. It's such a pain to get in later. So, yeah. And boom, breaks perfectly. And now I'm trying to put that. Yep, and I'm not sure what to do next. I'm just kind of doing this. I'm a bit of a plan. Right, but there's nothing on the SSD right now, I don't think. I'm not trying to get anything onto it. It's a bit of a problem when you're installing a new SSD into something. One moment. Anyways, as I was saying, actually I don't remember what I was saying, but we're just gonna do this. Oh yeah, that's right. I don't know what I'm gonna do in order for this to work. I mean, it fits into the slot perfectly, so I don't really care all too much. And let's try it again. Alright, so in theory this shouldn't take too long. In theory. May I notice or not, I am very anxious right now. Like, very. Alright, well. Plugging the thumb drive. Oh, wait, no. Plugging the thumb drive in and praying to God that this works. Well, let's see. Let's see it happen. Alright. Alright, F1 has been pressed. Will I be a fool? Or will this actually work? And the thumb drive is plugged into this slot. You know, I do not remember how to do this. I've done this before, except the last time I did this it was all the way back in June, or like, well, I mean, the BIOS still exists, so uh-oh. I don't... Oh yes, F12. I'm an idiot. I chose F1. I didn't read it fast enough. I didn't read it so well enough. USB HDD. Let's see. Did I completely fuck this up? Or what? Wait. What is it? Ubuntu won't work. Windows Boot Manager obviously won't work. So why won't my USB work? It just boots me back here. Is there something wrong with it? Oh, you've got to be kidding, dude. Oh, fuck. Oh, I don't want to do the etching process again. Obviously, these three won't work. So then why won't my USB work? I've got an idea. It's not gonna be a very pretty one, but I got one. So there's that laptop, right? This one also runs Ubuntu. I was already running Ubuntu on this one. This one I had run out of space, which is why I got the 1 terabyte card. And I'm replacing this one. So I'm going to turn this on for the first time in God knows how long, and just kind of put a new thing on here, because it doesn't seem like how I did it with Blana Etcher actually worked, because obviously, you know, it doesn't work. So I'm going to shut this computer off, and I'm gonna grab this one. So now is a good time to mention I have literally no idea what I'm doing. I've never done something like this before, and I'm just surprised. And I guess the BIOS is put onto something else, because obviously it's not on the on this SSD itself. It's on something else. Probably a good time to put this old SSD away. Right here. I think it was this. Bang, bang, bang. I'll shove this into storage. I'll shove this somewhere. Going to unplug you. I'll take that. Put it into here. Probably actually put this camera somewhere else, or for you to see me. I was on the keyboard. So hi, it's focused. All right, got it. So yeah, I'm going to now turn on this computer, this old Toshiba satellite laptop for the first time in God knows how long. It was running Windows 7 at some point. It was running Windows 7. This was my mom's laptop at some point, and this was running Windows 7, and I put Ubuntu on it. Yeah, so, yeah. Right. And now, to find the cable that actually charges this laptop, because, again, I have not used this in months, so I have no idea where it is. I mean, I know for a fact it's in this basket that's next to my desk over there. This. So I should find it. So just give me a minute or two and I should be fine, I guess. So, alright, plugged in. I have the time to wait forever for this thing to actually power on. And this is really good for like and this laptop's really good for like installing Ubuntu, for flashing Ubuntu drives, which is why I'm using this and not just plugging in the other SSD into my Lenovo, mainly because I just don't want to do it. I don't feel like it. So we're gonna wait for this beast to power up. I don't remember what the password is actually. So we might be here a while. I mean, I did I did set the password long before I had this laptop that I currently have. So I will figure it out when I figure it out, which should be in a few minutes. Whenever this thing says, how is there dust on it? That thing hasn't been open in months. How's there dust all over this thing? Damn. So yeah, that's my plan. Just pray all this shit works to any extent. I mean, I've never replaced an SSD before, so I have no idea what I'm doing, obviously. I think I said that some time ago, but I'm saying it again. And I have no idea what I'm doing. And then after I install Ubuntu on here, I'm going to install Windows on here because Linux kind of sucks. I will admit. Now, real quick, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so I did set the password to the password my computer is currently set at. Ultra thin design. Yeah, this was thin back in 2011. Yeah. Obviously, the standards have changed. And look at that. This computer actually functions. I mean, it's not the fastest thing I've ever used, but it is certainly a beast. When it comes to computers like this, time to get the. Oh, wait, I just noticed this. It's like a shadow where the cursors. You might not be able to see that, but I sure as hell can. I can like barely see it in the camera thing, but it's there. There's like a freaking shadow for the cursor, which is real cool. I like that a lot. Well, that's cool, I guess. And now, I'm gonna use Linux Mint, just because I'm insane. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. I also got these Steam gift cards. So, put these right here for now. Alright, well, now we wait. Like, a few minutes or so. People just have to suffer. For like a few seconds, actually. Because probably edit this bit out. More like I'll just have to suffer. Oh yay, the thing is finished. Eject. And right. Good night, sir. And then you can go back here for a moment. Back where it was, as well as support my laptop. And now, back here you go. You can kind of see me. Hi. I don't really need to see me because I'm doing stuff. Alright, so in here she goes. And then just kind of boop, beep. And now, alright, wait, this screen's dusty. Alright, do you work? Hopefully. I mean, this should work. What? Oh, did I? Okay, in theory, this should have worked. Yeah, let's fucking go. Bang. We're gonna install Linux Mint, and then try installing Windows on this thing again, because there's some software I want to use on this thing that I wouldn't be able to use otherwise. I mean, I do like Linux Mint. I mean, I could dual boot it. Yeah, you know, I'll dual boot it. There's I have a whole terabyte now. Might as well. Oh yeah, baby. Can you see that beautiful, weird Mint logo? Yeah, not really. Okay, zoom back out, bud. Bum ba da bum ba da bum 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 ba da bum bum ba da bum bum ba da bum. Well, how about I do this? I'll stop this helps. Oh, I see you doing something. Oh, I see a mouse. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna plug it in over here. Or, actually, no, I can just do this. Oh, hell yeah, dude, we're in business. Alright, so, right here is the install Linux Mint thing. We have this, the files, we have Firebox, we got the terminal. That's about it, really. Oh, who the hell is it now? All these standard stuff. It's taking so long, and this is a 1 terabyte SSD. Or maybe it's the speed. Actually, no, it's probably the speed of this English. Does this work? Oh, okay, so I can do that instead of, yeah, English. I'm just gonna do standard English. Can I? The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Yep. She works alright. I'm also gonna put Russian on here at some point. Just because I kind of want to learn Russian, and it's very funny. It's a very funny language. Oh. Just give me a moment. I'll be back before you know it. Back before you know it. Alright, I guess I'm connected. So, now I've done that. Alright, let's fucking go. Install multimedia codecs. Sure. Preparing Ubuntu drivers. Wait, Ubuntu? Okay. Erase disk. Yeah, there's nothing on this disk anyway. So it doesn't really matter to me. I don't care, there's nothing on this drive. Yep. My name. Yep. Alright. Now I'm gonna enter my password. I'm also going to do something else. Oh, along with that. Alright, so I've chosen a password. I've changed the computer's name a little bit, and then I named my username is Dionysus. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. I got it from someone else. Continue. And now we wait. Yeah. We're gonna be here a little bit, so I'm gonna set it here for a little bit. And then I'll just watch PewDiePie. PewDiePie. Ooh, the test has. Oh, the installation is finished. I'm going to restart now. And then we'll immediately put Windows on this thing so that we can dual boot those two so I can use some software I can't use on Linux. Yay. Alright, well. First task done successfully. Ugh. Disgusting. Very annoying. There. And now, we wait. For like a few minutes. Or seconds, actually. Because this is a very fast laptop and very new. This is a nice sticker. I'll link the artist made it in the description because I just really like them. Mum, stare at the wall for me. We're back. Or, I'm back. You're back. We're all back. Let's go! I don't care. I don't care. Alright, let's go. First off, I would like Windows 10 download. And we'll see if I can't just install Windows 10. English. I don't know how to say English in Russian. Look at that. There we go. There we go. Look at that. It's installing. Why won't you focus? You're staring directly at the target. Focus, damn it. Do I just do this? Okay, so no. That doesn't work either. Alright, that's cool. We're also going to install a little thing called Balena Etcher. Now, I don't remember how I originally installed it. Yeah, give it a shot. Sudo install snap, right? I got that. Okay. Right. It's going. That's also going, and that's 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 going. Yes. Alright. Sudo snap install. I have a lot of experience from Linux, so I think I know what I'm doing. Balena Etcher. What? But I just installed Snap. What? I just installed Snap. What the hell? Okay, so I'm gonna need a minute to figure out what the hell. Okay. So this command I'm about to run here, I think should work. I'm not. I think it's sudo curl install, I guess. But okay, so that doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna watch a tutorial now, so I can actually understand what it wanted me to do. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Oh. I mean, I found it. Well, I found the Debian file to install it. I'm very familiar with that. It's very easy. What do you want? It says fucking Austria. It's not a real name, by the way. Yeah, that's one of my friends. That is actually a city, by the way. It's called fucking Austria. Fucking Austria. That's it. The fucking part is the town name. I'm gonna do that one. Alright. Well, we're installing. And I guess we're already done? Or yeah, I guess we're already done. Well, goodbye, sir. All application. Okay. This is saved. Where exactly? Downloads folder, yes. Oh, I don't need you anymore. Downloads. Bang. I don't really want to install Wine again. Ooh. Okay, I did not know we could do that. And we will see if this works this time, because last time I did this, it did not work. And I kind of want it to work this time. So we'll just have to see. Can you see that? Barely? Maybe? I'm gonna do that. Oh, we will just... Okay, we will have to wait a few minutes, depending on whatever time it decides it to take it. Depending on however long it takes it decides to take to do this. In the meanwhile, I shall move my Steam cards. Oh yes. Flash complete. Now I'm going to reset my. I'm going to shut down. I'm going to restart my computer. And yeah, it's Windows time, baby. Windows is my favorite. Let's see. Will you work? 12. What? No, what? No, that's not fair. I did what I was supposed to. It flashed, didn't it? Well, I mean, I saw it flash, but you heard it flash, right? Didn't you? Come on, little buddy. You can do this. Oh, wait, I forgot to turn the computer on. Oops. Press enter. Come on. Work, you son of a bitch. Oh, okay, so I'll return this later. I'm gonna go take a break. And now we are here. I am about to restart it. So, let's give it the old restart. A little sound, I'm not sure you heard that. So yeah. And now, wait. And wait. I hate that. Alright, let's see. Does this actually work? Because if it doesn't, and it boots me back here, I'm going to give up. Oh. Yes, let's fucking go, dude. It actually works. I mean, I'm not sure you can hear me all the while, and I'll probably amp it up in the editing software. But it doesn't immediately boot me back to the booting thingy, so that's a good sign. Then let's fucking go, dude. Oh, yeah. Now I'll probably tinker around with it to get rid of the bloatware and shit. I'll do it. I'll do it. Alright. Next. Service starting. Although I'm probably gonna tinker around with it. It won't do stuff I kinda wanna do. But meanwhile, let's go. I accept the license terms. Next. Oh. I find it funny how Windows 10 doesn't actually use these, but the setup does. I don't know why. Custom. Wait, I can just do that? Oh, right. Delete. Okay. Next. Alright then. Okay, so I just deleted the because I just deleted the larger partition, created a new one. That worked perfectly. Alright then. Well, task completed successfully. And now, you will have to just watch. Yeah, I've never done something like this before. I've seen like Bring the Studio, I've seen like Bring the Studios do this before, but I've never like done this myself off of a USB flash drive. Also, these are my little stress thingies. I got them from school. Yes, I'm a schoolgirl. Yeah, yeah. You know, I'm gonna stop recording and just come back to this when Windows is finished. Oh my god, it's finishing up now. It's doing the thing. Nice. Yeah, baby. Alright, we're getting Windows installed. Probably the smartest thing to do. And boy, oh boy, I need to clean the screen. No, I'm not praising Windows to any extent. No. And I'm probably gonna pirate crap. And I'm probably gonna just get pirate crap out of this thing, cause you know, I'm just going to get an activation key from some shady fucking sources. I still say Google it because it just sounds better than look it up. Yes. It does in fact sound right. I'll just say yes, but I'm just gonna put Russian on here later. Oh yes, well, I guess I'm doing it now. There it is. Arr. Get closer. Ooh, yes. Yes. Mnemonic. Mnemonic, I think that means phonetic or something along those lines. I don't know. Now it's an important setup. I wonder what that means. I wonder what bullshit you want me to do now. Oi, beast. Set up for personal use. Offline accounts. Yes, it was the offline account. No, offline. Name. I don't want. Fuck you. I'm gonna be using LibreOffice Writer anyway, so I don't give a shit. Well, this is taking several minutes. The entire part of the recording has taken up 10 minutes 40 seconds. Hey. And we're back. It's now finished doing its little setup. Fuck you. Welcome home. Russian. Actually, Where's the notepad? Notepad. I'm home. What? Where's the notepad? Oh. Duh. Здорово. You can't really read it all well. Здорово, which means hello in Russian. It's a way of saying hello. There's also здравствуйте, and there's привет. I don't use здравствуйте mainly because it's way too long. Recycling bin, you go. Empty. The. I hate that. I hate these. Complete setup. Continue not signing them. Shut up. Shut up before I wake my parents up. Thank you. Fucking thank you. Now we're going to. How's this? Yeah. That. Okay. Okay, what the hell happened? Fuck you. Okay, I'll do that later. Hell no. I'll do that. I'll do that in a moment. Now I'm going to look. Now I'm going to look. Use this. Wait, hold on. Go. Alright, now we're going to do. What? It crashed. Oh, doesn't matter. Well, that was the end of the video. And goodbye. Or as they say in Russian, до свидания. Здорово, everyone. So, this is Sirius after I originally recorded the video at 1:27 a.m. on November 4th. Oops, I procrastinated on this video way too long. Well, actually, school got out of the way. Anyways, so I'm gonna do a quick tour of my desk because in a little bit there's gonna be a monitor there, and yeah. So let's get to it. There's a camera and battery in it because I lost the charger for it. Camcorder would normally go here. Coaster lamp with the some Perry the Platypus. Perry the Platypus. Then we got keyboard. I think I already mentioned that one. Laptops. My ThinkPad is resting on this Toshiba for cooling or whatever. Random pencil next. This easy button, battery, Apple battery thingy, and Wendy's thing. This camera for microphone. This cup of stuff. These plushes in place of where the monitor's gonna go. These drawing tablet, headphones, 8-bit Do controller, mouse, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let you gaze at it real quick. So yeah. now it's actually done, yeah. Goodbye.